Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. So in this video, I am going to give you an information, a very important information that ISRO is going to organize a machine learning workshop for 5 days and this is totally free. You all can join and there is a simple a test at the last and after that you got a free certificate from ISRO for a machine learning. And in this machine learning course also there is going ISRO is going to cover a deep learning session also. So you also going to learn about deep learning in this course, in this workshop of 5 days. So you all need to apply for this machine learning course because this is from a ISRO, the ISRO scientists and professors who is working on ISRO is going to take this type of session. Means this is a very knowledgeable session and you all need to apply for this because this type of sessions you doesn't get easily. Machine learning courses are many and many in on YouTube as a free and also on different type of platform as paid courses, but this type of knowledgeable person is going to share a machine learning experience and also you going to learn about machine learning from the ISRO scientists and ISRO employees. Then this is a different type of thing, a level up experience you are going to get. This is the first time when this type of workshop is going to is organizing by is will be going to organize by ISRO. So you all need to apply for this and also there is a link in the description. You just go through that and you can apply for this. So be with me till the last. I will going to share all the information about this course. So finally friends, we are here on the platform of ISRO. You can see here, this is the official platform of ISRO, Government of India, Indian Institute of Remote Sensing, and here is Indian Space Research Organization. And you can see here Educate News, and here you can get different type of sections for different type of things. So here you can see different type of courses which is new on this section, on this website. And you can see 1 day workshop, different type of workshop and webinars always ISRO organizing. And here the newest one and which is for I am going to share with you is online machine learning 80 to win course on machine learning to deep learning, a journey for a remote sensing data classification. And this is from July 5 to 9 2021. For how to apply for this and what are the criterias and what are the requirements, I am going to show you. Firstly, let's see the course schedule. And here you can see here, this is the course schedule, what you are going to learn in different type of dates. And in the first, this course is going to start, you are going to learn about remote sensing and its sensors of various resolutions and different type of things. After that you are going to learn basic classifier to machine learning journey. Next thing is methods in machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement. Next thing is fuzzy based machine learning with application of temporal data processing. And at the last, networking based learning algorithms, ANN, CNN, and RNN. I think you all are very familiar with this type of terms which is available, which is related to machine learning. And the session start from 4 o'clock to 5:30. So total 1.5 hour sessions daily from 5 to 9, from 5 to 9, and you all can apply for this. And this is this notification is so this session so you all need to join this session of machine learning and deep learning on the on this is which is available on which is. So you all need to apply for this machine learning course. Next thing is course browser. This is the important thing. All the things which is means required eligibility criteria and different type of things is available here. You can see what is IIRS outreach program. Here you can see different type of things, feedback mechanism, awards about IIRS. You all think you are going to learn about this course is here. You can see here, this is the all what is the course material. Course study materials are lectures, slides, video, recorded lectures, handout demonstrations. And also there is no course fee for this, and you all can apply with the only through going through the registration process. And how to apply for registration, here you can see here. And also for updates, you can go through this Educate News, and you all get updates about more IRS courses which is come in future. Only certificate available for those who will be going to attain 70% of these sessions and live videos. And also the participant who attend the course session via IRS YouTube channel should mark their attendance. And if you are attending through different type of platforms, then you are not going to get any certificate from them. Also course funding and different type of things which is here, but it is not for you. And also what is the prerequisite knowledge you need to require for this is understanding of basic concepts of remote sensing and GIS, which is already available on this platform of ISRO, and you all can go through different type workshops and webinars, videos, and also different type of documents and materials are there on the website of ISRO, and you all can visit that, and you can learn about the basic concepts of remote sensing and GIS. Now the last thing, how to apply for this is through something means different. You doesn't get this type of registration process in different type of sites, because they take some charges and they are for benefits. Here they are going to share some knowledge. Because of this, the learning means the sign-in process is very difficult. Here you can see, firstly you need to log in this platform of ISRO. After that, you need to select your course, your personal details, educational details, professional documents, and preview. And when you complete all of this, then you are going to get this free course. So you all need to go through this type of process for getting this course for free. And after that, yeah, when you complete this, you need to check your application status also. And if it is succeeded, then you got this machine learning and 2 deep learning course for free from ISRO. So you all need to follow these things, and I hope you all get all knowledge about this machine learning course on ISRO. And if you want to know more about this, just go through comment section and just ask any question which you want to ask about this session. And there are many people which are going to join this session, so they can answer. And if I have an knowledge about that your question, I will answer you. So that's much in this video. Meet in the next video with more informative videos and more notification about the learning. So this is whole about in this video. That's much in this video. Thanks for watching. Meet in the next video.